Is it worth buying a TCL TV? Yes, buying a TCL TV can be a great choice depending on your needs and budget. TCL has gained popularity for offering high-quality features at affordable prices, making it one of the best value-for-money brands in the market. TCL TVs, especially their 4K UHD models and Roku TV series, are known for excellent picture quality, vibrant colors, and impressive brightness. Many models also come with HDR support, like Dolby Vision and HDR10, ensuring better contrast and detail in your favorite shows and movies. The built-in Roku OS is another standout feature, offering seamless access to popular streaming apps with an easy-to-use interface. However, if you prioritize premium OLED displays or advanced gaming features like high refresh rates, e.g. 120 Hz, TCL might not yet compete with top-tier brands like LG or Samsung. That said, for casual viewers or budget-conscious buyers, TCL TVs provide exceptional performance and reliability, making them a worthwhile investment.